Hi, I'm in the Haven on board Norwegian Escape, and this is by far the most luxurious haven we've ever built. Right now I'm in the courtyard of the Haven, and it runs through 3 decks. It has a roof that opens and closes depending on the weather, and you can just see the finishes throughout the Haven. They're spectacular. The water feature behind me, the artwork, all the little details, the elements really make a huge difference. I'm so excited about this Haven. There's 95 suites have access, and it's going to be a huge hit. So I'm here in the Haven Bar and Lounge, and we're going to head up to the next level where the restaurant is, unlike the previous Havens that we've built. So why don't you join me in our brand new glass elevator? So we're here on the second level of the Haven now, in the Haven restaurant. Beautiful space, and the fantastic new thing here is you've got indoor dining and outdoor dining. So here you see the inside space, and the outside space is beautiful with views out over the ocean, which our guests are going to love. We've also really focused on the culinary experience. Across the entire ship we have brand new menus, and the Haven is no exception. Wonderful new menu, new items we're super excited about. Our guests are going to absolutely love it.